In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users in SiteGround web hosting. Whether you're managing a website for a small business or just collaborating with team members, being able to add users correctly is a skill that will definitely enhance your site management capabilities. We're going to walk through this process step by step, ensuring you have a clear understanding of how to do it effectively. Let's get started by heading over to SiteGround's official website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for SiteGround, or simply search for SiteGround in any search engine to find the official site. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll find the login button. Click on it to proceed. You'll be prompted to enter your login credentials, so make sure you have those handy. After you've logged into your account, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. Here, navigate to the My SiteGround account section. This is where you manage all your hosting services, so it's a good area to become familiar with if you aren't already. Now, within your account dashboard, look for the Site Tools button. It's typically listed under each of your domain names. Click on Site Tools. This is essentially the control panel for your website, where all your site's configurations and management options reside. Once you're there, look for an option or tab labeled Users. Click on Add Users to begin the process of adding a new user to your site. On the Add Users page, you'll see a section to Add New User. Click on this option. It will prompt you to fill out some fields with the new user's details. Usually this includes their email and choosing whether they will have full access rights or limited, like email accounts only. After filling out these details, click on the new user. Double check all the information to make sure it's correct, as you'll want to ensure the new user receives their invitation without any issue. Once satisfied with the entries, find the Add button and hit it. Congratulations, you've successfully added a new user to your SiteGround website. This user will now receive an email invitation guiding them to complete their setup on your site. So, there you have it, a straightforward way to add users to your SiteGround web hosting account. With these steps, you can now easily manage who gets access to what areas of your website. Remember, managing user access is an important part of site security and operation, so always be mindful of the permissions you grant. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and happy hosting!